is Vikas. Today our project is level R notice certificate generator. These are my team members.
My name is Nitin.
My name is Nimraj.
My name is Gururaj.
These are the contents. Introduction about the project, problem statement, methodology, tools and technologies, result of the project, future directions and summary. Introduction. In introduction, the level notice certificate generator is a tool where students and staff can easily find and get the notice certificate quickly on the first stage of their due clearance. Due clearance. It is the process. It is the process where it checks and prints if there are any fines or any checks, fees or any department requirements that are cleared. About the project, the level 1 notice certificate generator is an online tool that helps schools and colleges handle the first step of the process, clearance of the students and staff. It checks whether the library fines are cleared. The main aim is to reduce manual work and make the process faster. After clearing all the dues, the system clearance will generate the notice certificate and download. You can download it and or print the certificate.
So problem statement. Notice certificate is an essential part of a living institute or any office for a student or either employees. It helps us to, is there any dues like library or in any fees management, it checks, but it is currently manual process. We have to visit multiple departments for approvals. We have to write an application or we have to request a notice certificate. We have to wait for the approvals. Then we get our notice certificate, which is very time consumable and frustration, which creates frustration. We have to wait for the approvals. So on the basis of that, we have created a website which we using HTML and CSS and Python for tracking and download the certificate. This is our problem statement. And methodology. Whenever the process starts, when a user or a staff access our website, there are two types of logins. One is for staff and another is for students. Whenever students login using their login ID and password, they can see their dashboard in which they can request for a notice certificate. For faculty side, the dashboard which they can they can see whichever students or whichever employee are requested for the notice certificate. By that they clear if there any dues, they reject the request, or there any no dues means they can approve the certificate by each and every department. By that if all departments are cleared, by that our website using backend, the certificate is generated. By that we can download the certificate and we can log out of the website.
Next part I will explain about the tools and technologies. In the components we are using the programming languages, software and database use. In the programming language we are using the Python, HTML and CSS, SQL. Software we are using the Visual Studio Code, and the database used is SQLite. In the first page, in the login section, we are using the two types of data, username and password, after the giving the data. In the next page, this is page for only for the admins who are accessing this website. The admins can access the whole student names and their data, their certificates are clear or not. In the next page, if the students have any dues and payments issues, then he got the output like this. If his payments are all not cleared, then he will get you are successfully all payment cleared, shows like this. Finally, the student get the notice certificate like this.
Future directions. In future, the level of notice certificate generator website is said to become more efficient and easy to use. Planned by correcting the college institutional databases. The site will also feature mobile responsiveness by which we can access using any devices like mobile tablets or laptops. Somebody, the notice certificate is a simple website created to reduce the process of generating a notice certificate. Normally, we generating a notice certificate, we go to the different offices and you have to get a sign to reduce this work and manual work. We have created a online website which reduces